Everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick scrapbook layout process video. This is part 7 of our 24-page part series for our Vintage Bloom scrapbook album. I'm getting started with this very busy paper. This is one of those papers that comes so that you're supposed to kind of cut it down like strips, but obviously I've decided to keep it intact and use it as a full-blown background page. So to kind of make it a little more quiet, I guess you could say, like just to kind of give the piece a focal point, somewhere to put your eye instead of being so overwhelmed, I decided to use this journaling card that had this wreath, but I thought the white behind the wreath kind of made everything a little more toned down. And then of course my yellow photo mat on top, and I think the yellow photo mat goes so cute with the baby picture that's right there. I have no idea if it's me or Jesse, and you're gonna hear me say that for pretty much every single picture, besides I think one had my name on the back. Every single picture, I cannot tell you which baby it is. I don't know if it's me or my sister. And sometimes I see pictures of my brother Matt, and I'm like, oh, that could be any of us. So, but usually I can tell if it's Matt or not. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job of kind of figuring out how to use this paper. The Vintage Blooms album especially, some of the papers gave me a hard time because they were so busy. But I guess that's kind of what makes this album fun. It's all pastel, light, and springy, which is already my go-to, my thing. That's what I love. But then on top of that, it's very busy. So yeah, it's kind of fun. Here I'm just taping down my photo, and then I'll go ahead and add some more embellishments on. I'm finally back on track to be posting videos every day, so if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. And if you are interested in having this scrapbook page in your own album, you can get it at the link down below in the little description area. I sell these as printable scrapbook pages. You just download the PDF and print them as many times as you want. And the best part is that you can get a free set of 3 scrapbook pages, your choice, any of the scrapbook pages that I have listed on my site, you can get for free when you sign up for emails. And you can also do that at the link in my bio. But here I'm just layering up some of these little paper flowers that I love so much, and I use them a lot in this album. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick them on down. If this scrapbook layout inspires you to get crafty and create, I hope it does. That's the whole goal of me sharing my process with you guys. Make sure you tag me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, all of those. Tag me if you're inspired by this, and if you use my pages, definitely tag me too, because I want to feature you on my website. Plus you can get 20% off your next purchase. That's a lot of promo. I'm usually not like that, but it's just coming out today. But yeah, just adding on the final touches with these little hearts and butterfly stickers, and that's the final page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one tomorrow because we're posting every day. Bye guys.